In this video, we are going to build this Block Tech Block Bouquet, which I purchased from Five Below. This one is the Peony. It has 70 pieces, so let's get building. Step one. Let's see here. We take this angled piece, we put the yellow cross pin in it, and then this one collar with a cross pin hole in it. Okay, step two. This is an interesting piece. I've seen these where they're just the three holes, but this one's got like three of them attached together. So we're going to put these balls from ball and socket joints into the corners. So there's three corners. Okay. And then we are going to put that on top of what we've built already. So step three, we're going to take one more of those pieces and we're going to put the three balls for ball socket joint in. Well, since I already made this one showing how to do it, this one I pre-built. So let's put this on. You gotta put it on so it's the opposite direction of the other one. So now there's 6 of them. And then we're going to add a collar to the top of that. And then step 4, we are going to build some petals. So we take our leaf piece here. Then we take our 1x2 plate with the joint for the ball and socket. So that's a socket. And then we take this 2x2 bow slope and place over top to clamp it all together. And then we are going to attach these to the lower sockets. So let's put these on the first set of ball and sockets I put on. Okay. So step 5, we're building 3 more of those. I pre-built them. They're exact same way you built on the last one. Then we'll put those on the upper ball and sockets. So we're connecting the socket. We're connecting the ball inside the socket there. So there we are. And let's go on to step 6. Step 6, we're going to take this round disc with 6 holes in it. We're going to attach that on, and one more of those small collar to put over the pins. And then we have this piece here that they use to turn anti-studs into studs. It's just a round piece. We're going to put that on these clips. We're doing that 3 times. And then we are going to attach those inside of what we have here. So with they go inside the little holes there. Just got to push them in. You got to push them until you feel them go in. And that, so those collar pieces were to be the right size for the holes. And then step 8, we are taking these parts and we're going to build 2 of these. I'll show you one. So we take this piece here. We're going to attach this 1x2 plate. This has these bars on the side. Then I'll put the cheese slope on. Then I'll put the 1x2 bow slope on, and then I'll put another tile on. So basically we are making these slightly different than the ones we've done before. Let me take a quick look at what I'm doing here. And do I know which ones I'm connecting them to? Does it matter? I don't know. So we're just going to put this on 2 of the pins we put in here. I turned the pins wrong. They should have been where I can put these pieces on. You can line them up because you can turn them with a pin. So that was step 8. So step 9. We are going to build a simpler one. So this time we're putting, again, the 1x2 plate with these bars on, but this time we're just using a 2x2 bow slope to cover everything up. And then we're just going to put that on the last one of these I put in here. And again, they do swivel so you can move them to line up better. And then step 10, we're going to make something a little more complicated version. So this is like we did last time. Well, not last time, but time before that. We take our 1x2 plate with these bars on. Then we'll put the cheese slope on, put the bow slope on, and the tile. Now once again, we're going to take this clip and put it inside that little round piece, and we can clip that on. And then we are going to clip this in somewhere. Where do we want to clip this in? Okay, well, these can swivel, so how am I going to clip this in? Let me see. Okay, on this one, we don't want to push that round piece on all the way. We want to leave it on the end. That way, when we push that in, it will go over the top of the pieces we already have. Okay. Let's see, we gotta make sure that somehow stays on the end there. You probably should have given us 2 of those pieces. That way, when they stay on. So let's see here. Let's keep on building. So step 11, we're going to put this yellow piece on, and we're going to tap that, hold it on with this gear. Okay. And then what do we do next? We're going to start building some green leaves to go with this. So there's 2 of these, a right and left one. So let's see here. I want to use this one, that way I'm matching what it looks like on the diagram. Then we are going to take this. Okay, I got my pieces out of order. I grabbed the wrong stack, I guess. So we're going to put this through the pin and the hole there. Then we're going to, oh, sorry, let's back up. We put this on the small part. Then in the large part, we're going to put just the collar piece through. Then we are going to attach that to there. Then we'll see. And the underside, we're going to attach that to one of the holes. So It looks like with that one going that way, I want to attach it to this one here. Okay, it's going to swivel some. So then let's build one more of these. But this next one's going to be built slightly different. So we are going to take and put got the piece with the hole in here and a pin. We got two of them. So we're going to push them together. Then we're going to take this black one. This one is the shorter of the two. The other one was 3 studs long. This one's 2 studs long. Then we can attach that in. And this time we're going to attach it on the hole here. We'll attach it on there. And then they will swivel somewhat. So lastly, we're going to take this long stick and take this collar piece that connects on. And then we will attach that to our flower. And there we are. See, these pieces kind of move around here. So this is our poppy. So thank you very much from Chuck's Bricks.